Okay, let's cut through all the noise out there about making money online. We're not talking about some crazy dream of getting rich overnight. Nope. Today, we are focusing on something real, something tangible, your first $1,000. That's the number that makes it all feel possible.
But first, I've got to ask you something. And seriously, take a second and think about it. What would you do with an extra $1,000 in your bank account right now? Would you zap that credit card bill, cover rent, or maybe, just maybe, finally breathe a little easier? That's what that number is all about, a little bit of freedom.
Because let's be real, for most of us, that isn't just some fun daydream, is it? It's a very real question that comes from a very real place, that financial squeeze that it feels like we're all in right now.
I mean, this slide pretty much says it all. The bills just keep piling up. The price of gas, groceries, you name it, it just keeps going up. And that whole idea of a side hustle? Yeah, that's gone from a nice little luxury to something you absolutely need just to stay afloat.
But this is where we're going to flip the script. We're going to shift our mindset from the stress of the problem to the world of possibility. Why? Because the tool you need to change everything is literally right in front of your face.
So what if there were actual, simple, totally legit ways for a beginner to start making money online? I'm not talking about 5 years from now, not after you buy some $1,000 course, I mean right now. That is exactly what we are going to break down.
We're going to dive into 3 clear, super distinct paths to making that first grand. Think of these like your on-ramps to the online money highway. No complicated theories, just stuff you can actually go and do today.
Path number 1 is freelancing. And honestly, this is the most direct route because you are selling something you already have, your skills. It doesn't matter if you're good at writing or design or even just organizing a spreadsheet, I promise you, somebody out there will pay for that.
In the process, it's so simple. First, you just got to figure out what you're good at. And don't overthink this, it could be anything. Second, you build a super simple profile that shows people what you can do. And third, you go find that first little gig to get the ball rolling and get some good reviews.
So where do you find these jobs? You start right here. Upwork and Fiverr are 2 of the biggest freelance websites on the planet. Upwork's great for bigger projects, and Fiverr is perfect for small, one-off gigs. Both are just packed with clients looking for help, like right now. You could literally go make a profile the second this is over. All right, let's move on to path number 2, print on demand, or POD for short. Now this one's for all you creative folks, and the magic here is in how it works. You create a cool design for, say, a t-shirt or a coffee mug, but the thing only gets made and shipped after someone buys it. That means 0 cost to you up front and 0 risk. None. And again, the steps are just as easy. Step 1, make a design. It can be a funny phrase, a cool drawing, whatever. Then you upload it and set up a simple online store. And finally, you just have to let people know your awesome stuff exists.
So how does all this tech stuff connect? Well, think of a platform like Shopify as the engine that makes it all run. It helps you build a beautiful store and it connects directly to those print-on-demand companies, automating pretty much the entire process for you. It's amazing.
And that brings us to our 3rd path, affiliate marketing. The easiest way to think about this is you're just a helpful friend giving a recommendation. You find a product you like, you share it with a special link, and if someone buys through your link, you get a cut. Simple as that. And this whole thing starts with something you already love. First, pick a topic you're into. Could be fitness, cooking, gaming, anything. Then, find some products in that world to promote. You just share your link online, and boom, you earn a piece of every single sale you help make. So where's the best place to start? Come on, it's got to be the biggest player in the game, the Amazon Associates Program. It is the largest affiliate program on earth, and it's totally free to join. You can start earning commissions on millions of products that people are already buying every single day.
All right, we have covered 3 incredible ways to get started. But before you dive in head first, we need to have a little chat. Just a quick dose of honesty, a reality check, because this part is super important.
And here's the bottom line. None of these are a get-rich-quick promise. They're a get-started-now plan. Making your first dollar is going to be way harder than making your 100th. The only real secret here is consistency. It's just showing up and doing the work day in and day out. But with that reality check out of the way, let's bring that energy right back up because your journey, your path to that first $1,000, it can start the very second this is over. The opportunity is real and it is right there waiting for you. So I want to leave you with this last question. Freelancing with the skills you already have, creating with print on demand, or recommending with affiliate marketing. You've seen 3 clear paths. The ball is in your court now. Which one are you going to start today?